Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Over here you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select Continue, tap on while using the app, choose Yes I agree, and finally click on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. But you can also pause the recording, click on this card over here at the bottom left corner, tap on Delete and delete your recording right away. You can also unpause it and add a bookmark by tapping on this left button over here, typing wherever you wish to, or not at all, and choosing OK. If you wish to end your recording and save it, you can do that by pausing it and clicking on this right icon. Now just save at the top right corner, and as you can see my recording is here. You can always rename it by clicking on those three dots over here, tapping on rename and typing wherever you wish to. Then choose OK. In order to delete your recording though, hold it, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner. Come on! And choose Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!